Welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering with Tarek. Today my topic is how to protect building from cracks. So proper foundation ensure a strong and stable foundation by following engineering standards including soil analysis, proper grading and appropriate foundation design. Quality construction material. Use high quality construction material that are durable and resistant to cracks. This includes using a strong concrete mix, reinforcement bars, and suitable building blocks. Structural design. Employ a well designed structure that occupant for potential stresses, loads, and moment. Incorporate expansion joints and moment joints to accommodate natural expansion and contraction. Adequate reinforcement. Reinforce the building's structural element with steel bars or other reinforcement to enhance the strength and resilience, reducing the likelihood of cracks. Professional construction practice ensure that the building constructed by experienced professionals who adhere to proper construction practice and techniques. Regular maintenance. Construct regular inspection and maintenance to identify and address any issues promptly. This includes monitoring for signs of cracks, settling, or structural movement. Waterproofing. Apply effective waterproofing techniques such as sealants, membranes, and proper drainage system to prevent water infiltration that can weaken the structure and lead to cracks. Tem- Temperature and moisture control. Control temperature and moisture level within the building by providing proper insulation, ventilation, and humidity control. Extreme temperature fluctuation and moisture imbalance can contribute to cracks. Avoiding exclusive loads. Prevent overloading the building with excessive weight or stress that can lead to structural damage or crack. Be mindful of heavy machinery equipment or modification that can strain the building. Professional consultation. Consult with structural engineer and architecture during the design and construction process to ensure the building is built to withstand potential forces and minimize the risk of cracks.